Hello everyone, I am Anand Verma. I am from Jaunpur and I completed my bachelor's degree from Veer Bahadur Singh Purvanchal Vishwavidyalaya Jaunpur, and also I have completed my industrial training in embedded system from Sofcon India Private Limited, Noida. This is my final project. Automatic door unlock with visitor counter. I have used component ultrasonic sensor, IR sensors. One IR sensor is used to entry count and second IR sensor is used to exit count, and also I have used servo motor and 8266 NodeMCU. When object is coming, the sensor will be sense and automatically door will be unlocked, and IR sensor is count and another IR sensor will be count exit.